Navigation on adventures is daunting. However, the foundations are actually pretty straightforward. This class is going to cover off everything you need to understand how navigation works, how you can create your own GPX files, load them onto your own devices, and then navigate easily using them out in the field. Garmin Zumo XT2 on the left here, dedicated device for navigating. I've got my phone. Whether you're hiking, adventure riding, boating, or even any kind of navigating over land, you can learn how to plan safely and navigate easily. As you run through this course, you'll notice that there's more than one way to do things, and you'll work out how to use your tools and what navigation style you prefer. I'll show you all the options, but only you can define what process suits you. And my first tip is to take a continuous improvement approach. This way we can take a path that we already know, build a map. We can learn then without the pressure of getting lost. And this is what we're going to cover. Understanding the basics of satellite navigation will help you know what your device is doing, and the structure of a GPX file is more straightforward than it might seem on the surface. Then we'll take a look at the devices, how to prepare them for a trip, how to use them in the field, and how to react to obstacles and changes to the plan. We'll then look at the practical applications across different adventures, how to troubleshoot problems, and some advanced tips and tricks to help you share your adventure stories. Now let's jump into understanding a little bit more about how GPS works.